Aquarius, hey beloved, hold on. You guys, it is Friday, December 31st, 2021. You are my first reading of the day, so as my voice adjusts, as I drink my tea, it's going to start off slow, but we're getting into it. Happy New Year. I hope you had a blessed and prosperous 2021. I hope you got the lessons you needed from 2021 and you're walking into 2022 with your head held high. Your season does start at the end of January, so happy early solar return, or if you see this during Aquarius season, happy solar return. I feel like the way I'm starting off is significant to your January. I feel like as we end Capricorn season at the beginning of January, things are moving slow, but as we get closer to your season, at the end of January, things are picking up for you. You're getting more adjusted to the energy of 2022. But let's get started. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you are subscribed, welcome back. If you are returning, if this is your first time, welcome. I am Ray. I am going to give you your January 2022 monthly predictions. We're going to see the overall energy for you, the overall themes, what shadow aspects of self may come up for you. We're going to look at love and money. When I said love and money, the song Love versus Money by The Dream came up in my head. There's a part 1 and a part 2. Listen to both parts. The Dream, Love versus Money. And versus is VS, not spelled out. All right. But let us pray, shall we? God, source, angels, ancestors, guides, universe, please use me to guide Aquarius on their January 2022 monthly predictions. Thank you for allowing me to be a clear channel and voice for your spirit. I love you. Gratitude, Ashe. Aquarius, January 2022. The overall energy for Aquarius. Aquarius. I feel like some of you have some tricks up your sleeve for 2022. I feel like you've been towards the last quarter of 2021, you've been plotting and planning. And yeah, I see, you know how like there's like boxes and then you open up the box and shit just pops out. That's how I see your energy. I feel like this is all 22 for you, not just January. So we have the 3 of Pentacles. So yeah, you're working on something. You're creating something. You're mastering. I'm hearing you're mastering a gift. You're refining a gift. You're getting a tune-up on a gift or a project that you're working on. But this has something to do specifically with your creativity. And it's like as you master your craft, you're transforming from the inside out at the same time. You know, Aquarius energy is usually, I would say introverted. And I feel like as you're mastering this gift, you're doing it in an introverted way. But when you do the pop out scenario, you're tapping into your extrovert energy. Knight of Cups. So you are definitely moving towards something you love in the month of January. New home. Some of you are moving to a new home, new stability, walking towards a new foundation. Whatever this foundation is, because we have the 4 of Wands reversed, whatever this foundation is that you're walking towards, it's currently being built. Some of you may be building a home from the ground up also. And when it comes to commitments and shakeups, Venus is retrograde in Capricorn. And then we have the devil came out, Capricorn energy. And we have the new moon in Capricorn on Sunday, January 2nd, and the full moon in Cancer on January 17th. So I feel like when it comes to commitments and this and the devil card, you are detaching from unhealthy commitments in the month of January. You're doing a lot of evaluation. I'm getting a lot of self-evaluation, and you're evaluating others in your circle. There's 4 wands and 2 doves, so this could be 4 to 6 people. I get like the 4 wands. These are 4 people that have been in your circle for some time. But you have 2 new people entering your circle in the month of January. People of higher wisdom, higher insight, that are like, I'm getting almost, they are angelic. They are angelic beings. And I was about to say almost angelic, like I was about to, what's the word? What's it when you make something seem less than what it is? Like downplay it. I was about to downplay it. So there may be 2 people specifically that have been trying to enter your life, or in Capricorn season, these people were introduced to you, and their position may be downplayed in some way, or may have been downplayed, and that's being reversed. Yeah, the world reversed. A cycle is being completed. A cycle is being finished. And this could have to do with a creative project, love, or money. I'm going back to the love versus money song. When love is your problem, nothing can solve it. Victory, yeah. And with this victory, you're going to achieve something major in the month of January. Let's see, what's this victory? But it's something that it feels benevolent, especially with this gold energy. Okay, so 10 of Swords reverse, this victory is you're mastering your thoughts for sure in the month of January. And with this Page of Wands also coming out to clarify the 10 of Swords reverse, it's like instead of you just being in your head thinking about how you're able to do things, how things could go, it's like you're taking action. It's like it's no more thinking, it's action. Action towards what you want, action towards cutting those ties, action towards making those commitments, action towards building that foundation. Like it's action, action, action for you. And with the way the Aquarius symbol is, some would refer to the Aquarius symbol as zigzag lines, but it's 2, and we're moving into 222 years. So it definitely makes sense as to you initiating action in the month of January, because this is definitely your energy to embody. We are in the age of Aquarius, so it's your time to shine. And with the victory card, I do see you shining, and you're seeing how things intertwine together. You're seeing how everything connects. You see how these wands are, how they're connecting. But I see how everything is connecting. It's being initiated from your heart chakra. The Queen of Cups came out reversed. I was going to read it. The Spirit said it. This deck is enough. Stop there. All right. So let's see. Let's look into themes for you in January, Aquarius. Themes. Spirit, what are the themes for Aquarius in the month of January? I also hear a lot of you are getting closer to God in your own unique way. Love. Love is in the air. But I feel like this love, I feel like I said this for a sign yesterday. I don't know. But it's like when I said everything is being initiated from the heart chakra. Somebody got this yesterday with the Ace of Cups, how it's being, you have more than enough to pour out to others. Like your love is, I don't know, it's a form of connection. I don't know specifically what this means, but whoever's watching this, when I say that, Spirit is saying you know what it means. So a theme, simplicity is a theme for you. Doing things effortlessly, doing things moving from the heart. It's like if your heart feels heavy, you're detaching from it. If whatever you're or whoever you're involved with makes your heart feel as light as a feather, you're embracing it. Healing chaos. And I feel like for you, Aquarius, you're understanding that healing doesn't have to be so dark and so dramatic and so... My stomach is growling. And sorry if you heard that because that was loud. But it doesn't have to be depleting. Like, you're learning how to make healing fun. You're learning how to create, make it a loving experience, because it's like you understand. I love Aquariuses. I'm an Aquarius North Node, but with Aquariuses think outside the box. So with this healing chaos, it's like as the tornadoes, as the tower moments are happening, as shit is being disrupted and dismantled around you, you're understanding with these butterflies that transformation is taking place. And it's like you're excited about that. And you know that the more that things are transformed, the more that you're ascending and connecting to the higher self, and you're enjoying the experience. And I'm also seeing that you're not going through this experience alone. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's eight butterflies. So with this, you are transforming cycles in your life. And this is, or tornado. Aren't tornadoes considered cyclones? Aquarius themes for January, Spirit. Ooh, pleasure. Yes, so with this, with this pleasure card, it's like, y'all hear my stomach? I'm gonna eat breakfast after your video. It's the tea. I'm drinking black tea, so you know, it heightens your metabolism. And I did hit the blunt too, so it could be the munchies and needing to break my fast, eat breakfast. I'm gonna eat some oatmeal after I do your reading. But with this pleasure, I was about to say with this pleasure chaos, 12:12 on the clock. So sacrifice, chaos, sacrifice. So with this pleasure card and the deer being here, some of you may see a lot of deer. Number one, we are in winter seasons, winter solstice. So this is the time for the deer to pop out, especially at night. And there's a moon, so be careful with that. Also with this arch, this gateway, a gateway into a new direction. You see in the front, it's dark, and behind it's light. So with this gateway that you're crossing over into, and I feel like you're getting energetic upgrades like in your sleep. And also when you connect with plants, like if you water plants, talk to plants, if you choose to buy more plants for your home, it's raising your energetic vibration and it's getting you in touch with your heart chakra more. But with this pleasure card, you're walking towards pleasure. See, the deer is just standing and waiting, and there's a pathway towards the crossover. So instead of you standing here, it's going back to no longer thinking and contemplating, but taking action. I see this deer moving towards the stairwell and walking the path that has been laid ahead by spirit, by the divine. It's a divinely guided, intuitive path that you're being led down in the month of January as a theme for you. Anything else for Aquarius from this deck? Blessings on the bottom. Blessings on blessings on blessings. So we have delight. I saw this earlier when I was shuffling for you. And we have, going forward, to reemphasize, you're moving forward towards pleasure. Okay, you're moving forward towards healing. You're moving forward towards a simple way of living life that is full of delight, that is full of peace and serenity, honesty and transparency. Also, I'm getting you're connecting with your tribe. You're connecting with unite. You're uniting with like minds, like yourself. But let's look into your shadow, okay? You know, the opposite of Aquarius is Leo, which is that passion. So you're getting into your Leo energy and into the passion of what you're wanting to build and create, nurture, nourish, protect. And I see some of you, like on January 1st, going outside to sit in the grass and meditate. Like, no matter how cold it is, like I see some of you bundled up from crown to foot. And you have on your mittens, you have on your gloves, you have on your scarves, you have on your coats, sweatpants, and you are meditating outside. Like, and then as I say this, I'm fucking zoned out. And then and when I zone back in, I see this meditation, lotus flower. So yeah, some of you are meditating on January 1st or in the new moon of Capricorn, January 2nd, and really connecting with the universe, connecting with your angels, ancestors. It's getting that renewal energy for the new year. Spirit, please give me insight on the shadow of Aquarius in the month of January. The shaman. I hear what you had to go through is a prophecy of what's to come. What you had to go through is a prophecy of what's to come. There's 3 skulls, a diamond, a snake, a pearl. I'm so sorry, y'all. My stomach. And you're reaching out. So it's like you're reaching out for the transformation. Going back to the healing chaos energy with this hand and the snake right here and the 3 skulls. It's in the diamond and the stars. Like it's giving me hella co-creating energy with the universe. But it's like you're reaching out for the transformation. It's like you're ready. You're tired of sitting on the sidelines. It's like the player that's always on the sidelines and they're just waiting for their turn in the game. 1717 star energy, Aquarius energy. So yeah, so it's like instead of you asking spirit, hoping and wishing for your time to come, it's like you're going out and you're taking it. You're taking your throne, you're taking your crown, you're taking your position, you're taking what's yours. And you're doing this it's like in an energy of you've mastered your self-worth, you've mastered your self-confidence, you've become comfortable with being unique, you become comfortable with being different. You understand that your thought process, how you move, how you respond, how you react is different from the others. And because of that, you are meant to be greater. Okay, Aquarius, I see you. The shaman, you have a gift. You have a gift. The darkness. So going back to what you've been through is a symbol of what's to come. Like you have something to prophesize. Like that's what I get with the shaman energy. And this is 16. This numerology adds up to 16, tower energy. You're creating your own tower moment. You're reaching out for the change. You're creating the change. You're the initiator. Yes. Too many cards. Too many cards. I saw the mask. The mask is coming off. Aquarius shadow work for January, spirit. Just saw the Venom card. We have the Mountain. So for the Venom card, I'm getting the venom that you have. Like it's like your uniqueness is a special venom that penetrates the multitude, the masses. This is deep. And with the Mountain, I hear For Every Mountain by Kirkar. You're at the top of the mountain already, okay? Because if you see, he's at the peak right here, right? He's at the peak, and this is, tapping into your sister sign energy, the fire, the Leo energy. And I'm getting, come through, spirit. Okay. So going back to these 3 skulls, right? These 3 skulls and the fire. What was it 3 brothers that got thrown in the and the fiery pit in the Bible? Was it that? That's not Daniel's in the lion's den. Let me look this up. Hold on. Hold on. 3 boys in fire Bible. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. They're from the book of Daniel, chapter 3. Okay, come. Chapter 3, the mountain. Okay, the fire. The 3 Hebrew men are thrown into a fiery furnace by Nebuchadnezzar II, the king of Babylon, for refusing to bow down to the king's image. Baby, okay, a fire ignited in me when I read that, okay? So this is giving me, I'm about to talk in code, okay? Pay attention. This is giving me what's happening in the world and the puncture, right? And the puncture and going against, you know, what the outside world is saying should be done. This is rebel energy, okay? You are tapped into your rebel energy. And, you know, when Nebuchadnezzar threw Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego in the fiery furnace, they were protected. God protected them. So I see you in that fiery furnace going against... Hold on, I'm trying to, I know what to say, but I'm trying to say this in code. So, God, I don't, Spirit, I need another word outside of that specific word. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Asking you shall receive. So, I see you going against the others. You're making a stand. You are using your voice. You're speaking up. It's like, and going back to that 12-12 energy sacrifice, you are willing to sacrifice something in order for the truth. You're sacrificing something for the truth, and this is putting you in position. So it's like, and this is regarding your shadow. So, you know, the shadow parts of us, especially if you want to talk about Leo energy is... this is using your ego to work for you and not against you, okay? It's like whatever you're up against, it's white noise. It's all white noise. You have a mission to accomplish. And I'm looking at the red candle that I have. But you have a mission to accomplish in spirit, the universe. That ass is being lit on fire in January. And this is going to play out all of 2022 for you. I did, if you follow me on Instagram, I did Risings with Ray. And Risings with Ray, like every time I ask God to speak through me before I open my mouth to channel to speak. And I had said today is December 31st, 2021, but I said in the live, today is January 31st, 2022. And I feel like that is significant for you, Bar. But that's significant. That date is significant for you. Okay? And I'm not one to quote dates and things. Anything else regarding Aquarius and their shadow? That's it. What is this? Oh, that's too many cards I flipped over. That's it for this deck. Let's move into the Dark Mirror deck. Aquarius shadow. And then we're going to look at love. Aquarius shadow work. Fated to suffer. Okay, so with this fated to suffer, okay, I'm getting hella biblical vibes for you, Aquarius. You see the apple? This is giving me Adam and Eve and the apple. Okay? Okay. You're going to be offered something in the month of January that is very, very tempting, that I hear you should think twice before. I heard think twice before reconsidering, but I feel like I need to say you need to think twice before considering. You need to think twice before considering. You need to ask for divine enlightenment, divine guidance with this light that's shining in the back, because it's like someone else someone else sees you outside of you seeing you, outside of God, the divine, your angels, your ancestors, your tribe seeing you. There's someone else that sees you, that's close to you, that's darkness, that's lingering. And ask Spirit to illuminate who this is, because I'm hearing they don't want to see you win. Okay. Okay, let's look into love. Now I hear love versus money again by The Dream. Listen to that song. Love, Aquarius, January 2022, Spirit. Love, Aquarius, January 2022. Love, ooh. King of Swords. So when it comes to love, you definitely know what you want, okay? You know what you want. You have your standards. You have your, I hear protocol. We have 5 of Cups on the bottom with the Empress and the 10 of Pentacles, the Hierophant, commitment. You know what you want. I keep saying that. I know I keep saying that. Hold on. Give me a second. Okay, so when it comes to love, I see a lot of you really, really connecting with children in the month of January. You're approaching love with a childlike mentality. So going back to me saying over and over, you know what you want. You have clarity on your desires, your true heart's desires. You have clarity on the family life that you want to create for yourself with this Empress and 10 of Pentacles. But it was at the bottom, which is something you can't see. So with January's energy regarding love for you, like the foundation that's being rebuilt is to give you this 10 of Pentacles, Empress, Sun energy, this Hierophant, this commitment energy. And this, I feel like also with the Hierophant and discussing love, if you have like your own platform, you may be meeting your partner watches you, is what I'm trying to say. Your partner watches you, and they see you as the Empress, and they see you creating that 10 of Pentacles energy in the future with them. But with the Queen, the 5 of Cups, the Queen of Cups reversed, this energy, when it comes to love, you are seeing where you've been pouring your cup into stalemate connections, is what I hear. And you are shifting this energy in the month of January, and going back to this King of Swords energy, you are no longer accepting less than energy. You're no longer accepting energy that downplays you. Going back to that downplay energy at the beginning. You are firm in what you desire. You're firm in what you're worthy of. You're firm in what you're deserving of. You're speaking up about this with my hand touching my throat chakra. And it's like you know that wherever you've been pouring, whatever cups you've been pouring into that are not refilling, it's like you understand that even though those cups are depleted, you moved from the heart chakra, so the universe is rewarding you for that. Going back to this 10 of Pentacles, Empress energy, but it's time for you to turn around and embrace the 2 cups that I hear have been there all along, that you've been ignoring. Okay. Okay, Aquarius. Let's look at your money. I guess we're going back to this deck since I grabbed it. Let's look at your money. Spirit, please give me guidance on Aquarius and their abundance, money, career in the month of January. Going back to love versus money, it's like, I feel like in the month of January, you prefer, like everyone wants money, but your priority is love over money for you. Let's still listen to both songs by The Dream, okay? Aquarius love, January 2022. Decisions. Did I say Aquarius love? I'm I'm sorry. I apologize. But you're making decisions regarding love or choosing between two people with that Two of Cups. Spirit, Aquarius, abundance, money, career in January. The Star, 17 earlier, and then 17 came out, the Star. So you are focusing on entrepreneurship, the world. You're understanding, you're completing cycles of doing things or doing a certain routine that hasn't been working for you financially. And yeah, with this fixed energy, you're ending that cycle of being fixed, and you're pouring more into yourself, you're pouring more into your creativity, you're pouring more into your passion projects. The Tower came out. I saw the upright, but it landed reversed. So you're creating the Tower, you're creating this change, you're igniting this. Your birthday season is a rebirth for you, for real. Like, this is a real rebirth. But you're definitely in your power with this Queen of Wands. So when it comes to, it's like, what's that, that when you feel good, you do good type of energy. So it's like the more you pour into yourself, I see you, some of you are changing up your physical appearance, your look, and I don't mean like surgery alterations, like some of you are dyeing your hair, some of you are cutting your hair, some of you are growing your hair, some of you are getting a weave for the first time, buying a new wig, I see. But really self-care, self-maintenance is a theme, and the more you pour into yourself, it's like the more you attract with that Empress energy. But now I hear bankroll after bankroll, get money. I like it. Big money, I like it. I think that's, I be fucking up the lyrics, y'all, but bankroll is your theme. Bankroll by Lil Boosie is your theme for your abundance, career, finance in the month of January, and you have judgment. So you're making very wise judgment calls. You're not, I hear, oversaturating, you're not overspending. You are, the Sun came out reversed. Instead of pouring into yourself, it's like instead of spoiling those that are already divinely taken care of, you're giving back. With the Six of Pentacles, it's like the more you receive, the more you give, that energy exchange, and I hear it's coming back to you tenfold each and every time. Let's see what final messages Spirit has for you. We're gonna get out of here. Be patient with the delays. Be patient with the delays. Final messages for Aquarius for the month of January, Spirit. 12-3, which 1 + 2 is 3, so 3-3. Observe and reach out, okay? And I feel like with this observe and reach out, this is going back to reiterating the instead of being in this hangman energy, which is 12, hangman energy, you're no longer sitting. It's time to put the fire up under your ass, okay? It's time to step into the fiery furnace and put Spirit first, seek Spirit first, seek Spirit in all things, see God in all things, and surrender. Surrender. I have no idea what I'm going to title this. We have change your focus. Get out of your head and just breathe. Yeah, take your time. Take your time and choose your battles. When you choose your battles, I hear the battle's not yours, it's the Lord's. All you need to do is move, and God is fighting your battles as you move. Your angels, ancestors, and guides are fighting battles as you move. Any final message to Aquarius for January? Balance spirituality and practicality. So this is this is faith without works is dead energy, okay? So you have the vision. Your commitment is being tested. Your commitment is being tested with the vision. It's time to take action. But don't don't feel, when I said that, some of you got an energy of needing to rush. No, there's no need to rush, but you need to, the balance, spirituality, and practicality, write out the plan and be prepared to walk into unknown territories that are gonna walk into unknown territories that's gonna allow the world to see you. Okay? Yeah, a burst of magic. You are a burst of magic in the month of January. And I think that's going to be your title. I love you. Have a great new year. God bless you. Bye. Like, comment, subscribe, share.